Hello everyone, we are going to walk through the process of making an AI music video. Recently I found another AI music tool called Mureka, and we're going to try that for the music part. In a previous video, we talked about using Comfy UI workflow to generate an AI music video, but that was 4 months ago using Animate Diff. Right now we have newer AI models for videos and music. Everything is better. So let's check it out, the new way of making an AI music video. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is create our music. And I found this new tool called Mureka. It's different from Suno and Udio AI music generators. Their app's main focus is crafting lyrics that you want before it generates music. Unlike other AI music generators where you either write your own lyrics on another AI chatbot or auto-create them within the music generation process. Maybe they have large language models behind that, fine-tuned for creating lyrics. That's something where you don't have to go back and forth, jumping into different AI tools to create the songs, and there are also some AI voices created by them, those vocal singers. They're creating different singer voices and adding more and more. Eventually, I saw them a few weeks ago, and they had a few of those, and right now they're adding more AI singers, so maybe they have a voice clone of that. Also, they have an ecosystem for creator. It's called the monetization for music talent, where you can sell your generated AI music to other people. I'm not sure how that works. If that's ethical or if there are any copyright issues with AI music, I'm not sure. For legal advice, you should ask your lawyer or ask this company yourself. So let's go to the AI music creation part. So once you log in, you see a few items on the left side menu. You've got your library. That's where whatever music files you've created are stored. The library, my songs. So very simple, basic, and the subscription, whichever you have. If you want more demand for creating music, that's fine, but for free users, you have 6 songs created daily. But to be honest, each generation is going to consume 2 songs, so A-B testing for, 2 music styles, so there will be 3 generations per day for free users. So here are some other examples showing other users sharing their AI music, just like how you see in Suno or Udio and in the library. As you can see, I've created 2 music songs already, which use the same lyrics and same titles, but then the AI has generated 2 different styles of that, just like any typical AI music generator. And about the distribution and selling the music in their X.com account, they've mentioned this. They said they're going to distribute your song to Twitter, any music streaming site that they've partnered with. And I'm not sure how that works, but if you want to contact them about this, learn more, then contact them. But my focus is creating music in here, so let's jump to the creation part. So the first thing, go to create. And as you can see, I've already created lyrics for the previously generated songs, the AI songs here. And for newly created styles, you can use basic settings where you just type whatever themes and styles you want your song to be and it will generate that title lyrics for you. Everything is hands-off, just very beginner-friendly styles. But then this one is very limited for us to do any creativity. I think I won't prefer using the basic features of the AI song or AI music creation part in here, but they have some ideas below, like some text prompts you're able to use for some ideas as well. And scroll back to here once you have, your text prompt and click create and it will generate that up. But I like to use the Advanced tab where I have more control over settings, whatever styles and vocals I like to use for my music. Here it has descriptions like what kind of music, instruments, mood, etc. you want to use. And this cool thing called the melody is like the control net for AI music. So you can record your beat or rhythm within a minimum of 5 seconds, and then you can record that, put that into this melody input, and the AI music is going to follow your melody to create that song. So here, as you can see, I just click this button. It will help you insert a template for the AI music. The lyrics and this button say write the whole lyrics, which you can just click and hands-off create the whole song lyrics for you. But before that, I would recommend you choose a style first, because if you have the styles of music, for example, here I've got, some styles that I'm choosing, and then click the write whole song lyrics, that would be more relevant for what you want with the song. Otherwise, like these examples here that I'm generating, it will just pop up some random text from the large language models and, something is not relevant, maybe you don't like it, or there's a very large percentage that it won't be what you want as the preference. So choose some kind of style. For example, here we've got the heartbroken style music. So right here after I test this out, If it is suitable for what I want to create for my music, then I go for choosing a vocal. So there are male and female vocals, and just test with a voice here and see which one you like. And the one below here is the recent update vocal voice, as I saw from their x.com feed. So I would choose this one and try this. And for the descriptions, this is for paid members only to add more configurations and, add more styles, what kind of instrument you prefer for your music, etc. And so based on the styles and vocal, that is good enough for me to ask the AI for the reference to create something. So here is kind of, well, not the thing I expected. The song title is called How to Be Happy, and writing some really weird, funny thing, we might have to click a few times on the Generate Whole Song Lyrics. By the way, when you're using this to generate the lyrics, it won't deduct your credit. So you can try as many times as you want until you get good lyrics, then you generate that AI music with that credit. So let's try a few more times. If that is not good, then I have to write the title, and so give it more reference for the title, and it will generate the lyrics more suitable for what I prefer. So like this title and lyrics pretty much matches the heartbreaking style songs that I want. So I click the Generate button, and it will start to create 2 samples of songs for me. So there's, each generation of the same AI music title, it will create 2 music files. So version 1 and 2, just like how we do in computer and marketing, do A/B testing, the same concept. And then we have the generated result right now. So here's the first version.
I am the good girl at the party. She's the one who gets laid. Her life is so easy, she's happy all the time. And I'm the one who doesn't cry when he breaks my heart.
Okay, pretty cool. The first version is pretty nice. What I expected the styles of that, not the best lyrics or the best match of the lyrics with the music, but at least this is a good try. Maybe you can fine-tune that a few more times and get a better result. But so far, it's very accurate. The lyrics without any missing voice of the vocal. Sometimes in Suno, it will missing some part without vocal. So let's try out version 2 of this song title.
I am the good girl at the party. She is the one who gets laid.
Okay, I don't like version 2. Version 1 is more preferable for me. So I'm going for version 1 of this title. Then what we have to do is download the MP3, or if you want to sell it, then apply to sell. I'm not sure how that works. Don't ask me. This is their platform. I just gave it a try for the music generation creation part. So go to download the MP3 button and you are able to start creating your music videos with these files. Then the next part is, of course, to go to any AI video generator or whichever you prefer. I use Kling AI, so you create any image scenes using Flux or Stable Diffusion SDXL and then use it for image to video. Very simple workflow. I have talked about a lot of that before, so you guys can check that out if you missed that or have questions about AI videos for image to video method. So that is how I created the YouTube short demo that uses a few scenes of the stories for the music, and then some is created using the Minimax as well. So try that a few times, but right now the server is kind of busy, the Minimax server. So I skipped this part just using most of that in Kling AI. And then that's how I'm using this newly discovered AI music generator. And of course, their team has contacted me, asked me to try that out, and I said, okay. Of course, I do not take any advantage using their paid membership, ask them to top up for me. As you can see, I'm just using free account, 4 credits to try out. So I will keep looking for AI tool like this, if that's something you need for creating AI music, but so far I look at this as something different from Suno or Udio. I feel like this kind of AI music generator, honestly, it is a good for crafting music draft fast and quick to get some inspiration. It is not for professional musician who's making music album, or for some people who don't know music and want to make some song with AI for fun. Anyway, this tool have their own different way to present and workflow of making AI music. They are mostly focused on making lyrics and matching some AI-generated music, combine it to a song. So that is it for this video. And I will put my demo of what I done at the end of this video.
You're gonna be alright. Just breathe it in and breathe it out. 'Cause tonight we both know you're the one who's got to face it all alone. So let me know if I'm supposed to stay here now. And when you look around this world,